Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share with you websites where you can get online jobs or website where you can make money online. Today we'll be looking at a website called Paid Online Writing Jobs. Now in this website it's clear you get paid to write. Now when you start, you click on join. Once you click on join, you will be redirected to this page right here where it says looking for a real job online. You can watch this video telling you about this website. But down here, you first have to apply. Now, I've already applied for mine earlier today, but it's simple. This is your auto CV. It's your first name, your last name, your country of residence, or email. Then they ask you simple question as your experience. I have experience writing I suggest you say I have experience writing professionally. Please don't worry. I'll show you a way in which you can write very easily. Then your skills, able to write clearly. I suggest you click all these down here, all these skills, you possess them. Education, I suggest you say you click on university. Hours available, 15 to 25 hours a week, 5 to 15, anyone that suits you. I would say 15 to 25 hours. Your desired pay per hour, average, let's say $25 per hour. Reasons for applying, I want to a second income to supplement my main income. I want to make transition into full-time, or I want a career rating. I also suggest you click the first one. After that, you click on submit. After you click on submit, it will say, congratulations. Your auto CV matched you with 4 remote writing jobs in our database. The highest paying is $35 per hour. So for me, they've gone out and got me 4 jobs where I can choose from. Now if you scroll down to see 5 jobs you qualify to start with, here are the jobs. So you qualify for these 4 jobs because they are looking for new workers who match these answers. I'm from South Africa, and that was my CV. Job number 1, your first job match pays $35 per hour. That is the highest payment. Then you can read through here which jobs you are suitable to do. Then after that, you scroll down and click on Get Certified. As you click on Get Certified, you'll start working. That's all for today, guys. Thank you very much. Please hit the like button so I can bring you more websites that can make you money online.